In previous video we have seen how to use while loop, and in this video we will learn how to use of do while loop. For this, go to Visual Studio. This is our previous coding of while loop. Now what you want to do in do while loop. So what will this program do? It will ask the user to enter the target and it prints even numbers. Now if I want some modification in this program will run only once. Now if I have to print even number until 20, I have to close this program and run it once again. Now if I want to user decide when the stop printing, for this we will ask the user to continue. So here we have to ask the user to continue. For this, console.writeLine do you want to continue? And I want answer in yes or no. Yes or no. Okay. So we need to read that option yes or no and store it. For read, we are using here console.readLine function, and to store it in a variable, and in string variable we want a string variable to store this. Let's say choice. Okay, so here we are expecting from the user yes or no. If user types anything else apart from yes or no, we don't know what to do. So for this, if choice is not is equal to yes and no, so what happened? Console.writeLine it say valid choice. Please enter yes or no. Okay, so you know it is an invalid input. Okay, so how long we want to do execute this? As long as user enters yes or no. And to do this we need some kind of loop, so we can make use of do while loop. Okay, we call it choice. We forget the condition here. Not is equal to yes or not is equal to no. Okay, that's right code. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we can make use of do while loop in this condition. So do while I'm gonna copy all this in while loop. While initialize to empty string. Okay, so I don't need this string here now. Okay, that's it. So now I'm gonna run this and see what happened. Enter your target. If I enter 10, it prints 0 to 10 and it asks, do you want to continue? If I type some garbage, A, B, C, invalid choice, please enter yes or no. Okay, if I say no, if I say yes, it press any key to continue. That's all, friends. That's all for now. Thank you.